Alright, let's prove the quadratic formula. Ever wonder where it came from? Well, here you go. We can take c, we can put on the other side, which would just be a squared plus bx equals negative c. Pretty easy. Now we can divide a on every single side. X squared plus b over a x. We're going to leave a little bit of space here, you'll see why. And then that will be negative c over a. Pretty simple. Now what we can do complete the square, and we can find what goes here and what goes here. We can make a complete square. So we can do the b value, we can do this over a, we can put this over 2, but I'm not going to do that. We're going to just times it by 1/2 because it means the exact same thing. And then we can square it because that's what complete the square states. Then we can do, what's it, b over 2a, we square it, and that will just be b squared over 4a squared. Looks familiar, huh? We can put this over here. We can also add this over here. And then we can do complete the square. So x plus, take this, put it here. We can square it, and then we can do here. So what we can do, we can find a common denominator. So what we need here is a 4. And then what we need here is another a, or a squared. We can put this on the top. So we can put like a 4 here, and then we can put an a here. And then we can rearrange it, which will give us b squared. We can add this. And then minus 4ac. Then we can put this over 4a squared. Pretty easy. Now we have a little complete the square right here. So then what we can do, we can square root to get rid of this square. We can square root this, and then obviously when there's a square root, the answer can be plus or minus. So now we can get rid of the square root, which will then equal, so when you do square roots of a fraction or any like quotient type of like expression like this, you basically square root the top and you square root the bottom. So the square root of 4a squared would just be the square root of 4, which is just 2, and obviously the square root of a is just, a squared is just a, and you put that over, let's just leave it like b squared minus 4ac, and obviously plus and minus. And now finally you can just subtract this, which will give you x, and obviously since that these are the same denominator, you can just put it all over the same exact thing. So which will finally give us negative b plus minus square root b squared minus 4ac, and you can put that all over the denominator 2a, and we are done.